Perfect fit. Save me from spending 170 DLLs on a negative battery cable. Easy to put it on. Heavy-duty quality. So far, so good. Installed on 08 GMC with the Duramax. Even though Amazon said it wouldn't fit my 2012 Honda Civic, I took a chance and bought it. I am glad I did. You fit and worked great. Not only did it save me $60 to $100 by not having to buy the negative battery terminal just because the bolt was missing, but also I have an extra one now for future use and they were super cheap. Does the job as expected, and it fits my 2017 Porsche Macan. The T-shape is a great idea over the regular square head. Highly recommended. The old one broke due to corrosion. This was just what I needed. Even though it seemed the connection was snug enough without it, the car wouldn't start. After installing this replacement, the car started right up. Perfect fit. Used these to replace the bolts on my E9330i. Perfect. These are awesome. My VW Jetta came with bolts with square heads. The slightest bit of resistance when loosening the bolt caused the bolt heads to spin. I had to cut the bolts with a Dremel. These will never have that problem. Everything was great. Perfect fit. Good deal. A+. Works well. I would purchase it again. Hard to find at the local auto store. Worked fine on my BMW. Click link in description for more reviews.